I'm John Bennett, I'm a director with iDrives. We're an ABB authorised value provider and we're based in Woking in Surrey. Machinery designers have always engineered safety into their machine designs, and now more than ever, legislation puts onus on the designer to show how and to prove it. Normally you'd have to do things like fit an emergency stop button and sensors that react if someone comes near a machine or opens a safety cage door. It's common for these sensors to trigger a safety contactor which cuts the power to the motor, but these have some drawbacks. It's another piece of equipment that needs to be installed, maintained and regularly tested, and they're not as safe as the modern alternative, Safe Torque Off. Safe Torque Off brings the stopping functions of the contactor into the drive electronically. Now when something triggers the sensors, the drive itself shuts off the power to the motor instantly, allowing it to stop safely and stay stopped until an operator instructs the drive to start the process again. It guarantees no torque to the motor and it's safer than a contactor. Restarts are quicker too, as the drive is ready to provide power to the motor at a moment's notice. So a drive with Safe Torque Off is safer, easier to maintain and cheaper in the long run.